If you ever use an app to transfer money, apply for an online loan, or even interest in cryptocurrencies, you've already stepped into the world of FinTech. But did you know that behind every transaction, there are legal regulations governing this sector? Today, we'll explain what financial law is, how it regulates FinTech, and why it's crucial for the future of money. Welcome to Solidum Lawyers. The financial world has changed. In the past, you had to visit a bank to open an account or apply for a loan. Today, everything is at your fingertips on your phone. FinTech has revolutionized money management. But who regulates this ecosystem? This is where financial law comes in, a branch of law that regulates the financial system, protecting users, investors, and banks. But with the rise of FinTech, regulations have had to adapt to a digital environment. In this video, we'll answer 3 key questions. What is financial law? What does it regulate? How does the legal framework impact FinTech? And what challenges does it face? What are the main regulations that FinTech companies must comply with? So, whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, lawyer, or simply interested in how money works in the digital era, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Financial law is the set of rules and regulations that govern how a country's financial system operates. Essentially, it establishes how banks, stock exchanges, investment funds, and of course, FinTech companies function. It regulates traditional financial institutions, banks, insurance companies, investment funds, financial markets, stock exchanges, cryptocurrencies, crowdfunding, payment and credit services, cards, digital wallets, electronic transfers. Without this legal framework, the financial system will be chaotic, full of fraud, high-risk investments, and unprotected users. But what about FinTech? FinTech has disrupted the financial market with its innovation, but this also has created legal tensions. Some of the biggest legal questions FinTech companies face include: who regulates FinTech? Many countries are still developing specific laws for this sector. How is consumer protection ensured? Preventing fraud, scams, and misuse of personal data is critical. What about unfair competition? Traditional banks demand stricter rules for FinTech companies. The challenge is clear: finding a balance between innovation and regulation, allowing the sector to grow without putting users or financial stability at risk. If you own a FinTech company or plan to start one, you must understand the key regulations affecting this sector. Financial licenses. To offer loans, payments, or investment services, many FinTech companies must be registered with regulatory entities. Data protection such as the GDPR or personal data laws, ensuring customer information security is essential. Anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC. Companies must verify customer identities and monitor transactions to prevent financial crimes. FinTech companies that fail to comply with these regulations may face million-dollar fines or even business shutdowns. This is why legal advisory services are crucial for operating safely and efficiently. Financial law is the backbone of the financial system, and with the rise of FinTech, its regulation has become more complex and essential. If you own a FinTech company, are an investor, or are simply interested in how money works in the digital age, you must understand the laws that govern this sector to avoid risk and seize opportunities. Drop your questions in the comments and tell us, what FinTech-related topic would you like us to cover in a future video? Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more legal insights on finance and technology. And if you found this video useful, share it with colleagues and entrepreneurs. See you in the next video. Until next time.